Hello everybody and welcome to another studio vlog. So today is actually Tuesday. I am recovering from a bad mental health day yesterday. Although I did stream. So I streamed and took care of all of that, and then I sort of made an announcement in my Discord that I'm going to be pulling back on a little bit of my streams, probably in length and frequency, just for now. I am stressing out about so many things, including the wedding. So it's been a hard time for me, and I've been putting on a pretty good show, making everybody seem to sort of think that I'm okay, but I'm not. So I'm trying to get through it. I'm doing everything that I can to get through it. And so while I am trying to fix me, I'm going to be doing a little bit less streaming. Our weekends were going to be funky anyway because of wedding planning and venue finding and dealios all with the wedding. So the weekends were pretty much going to be shot anyways, and so that took one day off of me from streaming. So hopefully it won't have to be like a big change. I think right now I'm going to start with shortening the time frame, so we'll go from like 12 to 3 instead of 12 to 5. But yeah, I think that'll take some of the pressures off of me too and allow me to get a little bit of stuff done. Let's see, today I am putting books together. So I'm clearing out my book queue. I've got a book to do for Erin. I've got a book to do for Natalie, and I'm going to try to get a dragon cover planned out because I got a book due for Annie, and I really need to get her book done because it's been sitting in the queue for a hot second. But I have to sort of custom make her cover because I don't have a dragon cover. So that's sort of taking a little seat on the back burner, and I need to get it done. So while I'm in the bookbinding mood today, I'm going to sit back, chill, watch some streams, and do the bookbinding thing. I figure I could go ahead and knock these 3 out. So that's the plan. That's what I'm going to be doing today. Each of them is going to be different. Each of them is going to be great, and I'm very excited to see how they come out. So I'll probably show you a few little clips of those during the day. I'm also going to try to get the digital rewards for Patreon out today, and I have confirmation that the prints have shipped from my printer, so they should be here hopefully Thursday. That's all I know for now. I'll check back with you later. Okie dokie. Alright. Bye-bye. Okay. Hello, everybody, and welcome to Wednesday. So, I didn't get a whole lot done yesterday, but I did get some stuff done. So, I got the two journals that I was most needing to make done. That's saying my package has been delivered. I know that already, but that's okay. Anyway, so we got this journal done. And it's got some lovely cream paper in it and some roses in the middle. I really love how this came out. I love this paper pack so much. And then I did this journal. So this is the Mermaid Hollow journal. And it has got a closed binding on it. And then it has got waves crashing on the inside with some hollow. And it has got white paper in it. All right. Anyway, that's what I got done. And then I got a delivery today. So let's see what's in the delivery. I know what's in the delivery. But let me show you what's in the delivery. I got my prints. So here is the palette knife forest. It's a 5x5 print. I like doing these square prints. They're different. So there's that one. And then we've got the bubbles and auroras. So there's that one. It's nice and shiny. I don't know if y'all can see the shiny, but it's also metallic. It's got a metallic finish to it, and that makes everything just pop off of it so nicely. Let's see, we have got, oh, we've got the acrylic bird that I did. This is the rainbow tip bird that I did. So here's the original, and then here's the print. And this has got a metallic sheen on it as well. Okay. And then what else did I get? Oh, I got the leopard eyes, which that looks really, really nice. You can see all those different brush strokes and textures in it, and then it's got the metallic sheen to it too, so that looks really, really cool. I really, really like it. Oh, awesome. I love this place. I use whcc.com. So it's White House Custom Color is who I use for my prints, and they're really, really good. I enjoy them. I'm going to be showing those off on stream, so I'm just going to keep them right there. I'm going to be making My Little Pony today on stream, and that should be a lot of fun. I'm going to have a short stream today, and then I've got to run some errands this afternoon and pick some things up. Thank you. Let's see. I gave a lot of thought. I've been giving a lot of thought about the wedding, and a few people have asked me if I would start a GoFundMe page or something like that so that they could help with the cost of the weddings. And while I think that that is very, very, very nice, and it fills my heart up with joy anytime that I think that somebody would be willing to do that. I don't like when people get something for nothing from me. So, if you would like to help me with my wedding, then commission me to do something for you. If you would like one of these journals, commission a journal for me. If you like some of my artwork, buy a piece of art. All of those things help with the wedding, because everything I make pretty much is going to the wedding right now. So yeah, if you like a piece of art, buy a piece of art from me. If you can't afford a piece of art, but you want to help and you want to do a layaway plan, I offer a layaway plan on some of my more expensive art. If you like a little plushie that you've seen, like a baby Groot, then buy a baby Groot from me. Yeah, I hate when people get nothing back for their generosity. So, I mean, even when people do donations on my stream, I send them one of the featured prints. They can't get nothing from me. I mean, I have a donation, link, and I have a PayPal, and that's fine. And I appreciate when people donate, and I appreciate when people tip. But it is just as helpful to me and to our wedding if you get something back. So buy a piece of art if you would like to help. Commission a journal, commission a piece of art if I don't have something that you want right now. Commission one. Say, I would like something like this, but I want it in red, or I want it in yellow, you know. So do something like that. I would like a baby Groot. Have a baby Groot, you know? And that is just as helpful. So yeah, long story short, I love you for wanting to help. I really do. But help me by buying something from the shop or commissioning me, and that is just as helpful. So I love your faces. I'm gonna go get ready for stream, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. Okay, happy Thursday, everybody. I am getting out here and getting started for the day. First thing on my list today is grabbing my thing here and adding the lines to it. So I need to go through and I need to add all the lines to this coloring sheet. Or it's not a coloring sheet, it's a journal page. I need to add all the lines to this journal page so that I can finish up my digital rewards for Patreon. And then today is a packing and shipping day. Unfortunately, it's not the funnest day in the world. It's time to send out the giveaways for February and February's Patreon. So the prints came in yesterday, which I believe I showed you, and now they gotta go to their new homes today. So that's gonna be the bulk of my day, morning at least. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. All right, sorry, I'm not even awake yet, but I need to get started. So maybe I need something. I need some more caffeine. That's what I need. Look at what my dog did. Look. Whiskey got a little overexcited and jumped up and did that. That's attractive, isn't it? I thought so too. Okay, I'll see you in a bit. Hello everybody, and welcome to Sunday and what is about to be editing Amanda. So the week kind of got away from me. I think I mentioned before that I have been struggling a little bit with my mental health and a little bit of possible burnout, and really not being okay with all of the stresses from just work and the wedding and everything. I know I talk about it on stream, but I don't know if I said anything about it on here. Anyway, I haven't been feeling myself here recently, and so I'm trying to sort of work my way out of that feeling, and I'm getting closer and closer. I think I'm trying to anyway, by taking time off at night and doing other things. So I definitely feel like I'm starting to climb out of that hole, but I'm not 100% there yet. So Thursday, I think we talked a little bit, and I packaged Patreon orders and all the giveaways from February. I got all of those out. Those are done. Friday, I streamed, and then let's see. I had a really good stream on Friday. It was a fun stream, and it ended on a high note, and that was great. And so, but then I had to run right out because the dogs got into a little bit of a tussle. So I was dealing with that Friday, and I couldn't pick up the camera after stream. That was fun. So I spent Friday calming Bubby down for a little bit, and then afterwards I just didn't get any other work done. I didn't have time to pick up the camera. Let's see, Saturday was not a stream day for me. It wasn't, because it was my son's birthday on the 3rd. My second son's birthday was on the 3rd, so we did his birthday lunch yesterday, and yeah, hung out all day over there. And then I went to see my Grams. I hadn't seen her in a couple of weeks, so we hung out there after the party. And then immediately following the party, Andy finally got home, and that was that. I mean, he went straight to bed, and I came out here and I played Minecraft for a little bit, but that was it. I really didn't work at all yesterday, and I'm not going to be able to work at all today. The weekends are going to be a little funky here and there, so I may have to tweak when I put out the studio vlogs if it starts to get in the way a little bit, but I think I'll be okay for now. Today we are going to go look at another wedding venue, and then I think we're going to go out to eat with my mother, because my birthday is coming up and Andy's birthday is coming up. But yeah, we're going to go look at another venue today, and hopefully we like this one. I need to check my Etsy to see if the people email me back about whether or not their fabric is in stock, because the last fabric, the fabric that I had picked out and I love so much, is not in stock anywhere in China. But I did find I did find a different one that I really like, and it's from one of the same sellers in China, because all of the fabric seems to be in China for some reason I can't figure out. But they're supposed to get back with me to make sure that they do have enough of this fabric in stock before I buy anything, because I asked them this last time, and then they let me buy it anyway before they told me, no, we don't have it, and I had to wait for refunds. So anyway, I'm going to close the studio vlog out here today. I hope to have a more productive week next week. But I mean, I did get some stuff done. And I'm going to be working on my Patreon painting pieces for next week. So this month on Patreon, because it was my birthday, I wanted to give something back. So I gave my patrons who were on the Happy Meal tier the option to, instead of getting a print for this month, get a little original painting from me. And they opted for it. So now they're getting to tell me, I've given them some choices as to what they can choose from, and choices as to what they can choose from. I guess that makes sense. It makes sense in my head. Anyway, so those choices are starting to come in, and tomorrow is a traditional art day. So I am going to start working on their pieces on stream, and I'm very excited. So this is the month. If you wanna join Patreon, you have to be on the $15 tier. That's where that Happy Meal tier starts. But then you can bump down at any time, or you can stop your pledge after that if you just want to get a little original painting from me. Yeah. So join the Patreon. The link is always in the description box. You get all kinds of goodies too. You get all of the digital rewards. You get early access in the Discord. You get all kinds of things. We do a giveaway every single week for all of my patrons, even if you're on the $1 tier. So, you know, it's in the doobly-doo. Okay, I'm really stopping now because I gotta edit you before I have to go and check out this venue and do all the things today. So I love your faces so much. I promise next week to like parade the puppies like everywhere, because it's been a couple of weeks since I brought one out here, but I'm in just such a hurry. So do forgive me, and I'll bring you some puppies next week. Okay? I love your faces. I love them so much. Bye.